Plethora X3 Toneprint pedal board. Just showing you what you got here. This is the front of it, obviously. This runs off 9 volts, the 9-volt power supply. On the back here, we have a mono input, stereo input, mono output, stereo output. There's your power supply. There's a MIDI in and a MIDI through. So we're in edit mode right now, and you can see that it comes with all of these different effects on it. Pitch shifter, reverb, tap tremolo, the vicious vibe, shaker vibrato, alter ego vintage echo, bypass, all kinds of stuff on here. Global or board settings on here if we wanted to. You just press the button here and you cycle through. There's an edit button and a play button right here. So we've got it on edit right now. You have the capability of setting up different 3-pedal boards right here, and you can cycle through them right here. So when you have the MIDI in and the MIDI through on here, so we can actually use something like the Switch Doctor right here, a MIDI switcher to cycle through these boards. Turn one on, you just hit the button right here, it lights up. Fully program this through MIDI, you can switch it, different things going on here, turn it off and on with your MIDI switch. Okay, so in edit mode here, we can use these 3 buttons right here to adjust the settings on each pedal. And when you get the settings to where you want them to be, you can see, changing around here, back to 40. When you're done, you just hit the play button right there, and it saves your settings. If you hold this button down,
it goes into tuning mode, and now you can tune your guitar, and there's a tuner there.
Okay, so you use this button to cycle through the different types of reverbs and other types of effects on the pedals that are out there, and you can go to their website and even download stuff. Just to give you an idea of the size of this, here it is next to, normal size pedal right here. So you can get an idea. Nice metal case, built well. There it is, the Plethora X3.